familiar sight on the roads of Europe are these brightly coloured vehicles bearing the exciting title Service de Course International, or if you prefer it, Dunlop Racing Service. Whether it be Monza, Goodwood, Reims, Sebring or Monte Carlo, in fact anywhere where there's a motor race, this highly skilled backstage team will be there to see that wheels are balanced, pressures checked, and everything to do with tyres and brakes is in order for the race. Sports cars, though perhaps less glamorous and slightly slower than the formula cars, still require the same amount of skilled attention, or they may be racing for anything up to 24 hours at speeds of up to 125 miles an hour. Motor racing is a dangerous sport, and the tyre service team see to it that no unnecessary chances are taken with the equipment, for incorrect usage could easily cost a driver his life. Just look at the tousing the tyres take as Jack Brabham drifts his Cooper through the bend. Stirling Moss, number 7, and Jack Brabham, number 3, have thrilled the crowds as they've battled it out and smashed lap records on almost every circuit in Europe. Whatever the weather, the experts are on hand to assist team managers in the choice of the tyre which will be most suitable for the occasion. For the secret of road holding lies in the compound as well as the tread pattern. From the privately entered car to those of the bigger racing stables, the Dunlop Racing Service is there to help and advise. And it's from this close cooperation with the teams and the individual drivers that it's possible for the tyre experts to add to their knowledge of tyre performance under the most rugged conditions. It's in these ding-dong battles seen at international circuits everywhere that the motor industry is able to test and prove its latest developments. It's little wonder that Dunlop tyres are so reliable when they're bred and race-tested on the toughest tracks in the world.